So now I'm on to pressure washing the Boler. I really want to see if I can get the roof nice and clean. I bought some fiberglass wax for it, so I thought I could buff it out. I don't think I want to repaint it, but I might repaint the decos. The roof vent there just needs a better seal and rivets to put it back on. And then I'm going to also pressure wash the awning that came with it. It just has like mildew on it, so I'm going to lay that out and pressure wash that too. Should look good, I hope. Good. I'm quite impressed. I ran out of gas, so I'm gonna keep trekking. I really am hoping, if this is successful, that the front gravel guard comes clean as well, and then I can repaint the Boler decos. It's gonna look so pristine. It's gonna be great. Yeah, so you can see the patch I have left. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go get some more gas and then keep trekking. I'm moving on to pressure washing the tarp of the Boler, or the awning, whatever you want to call it. It's tarp material, and I'm going to do that now. I'll just stay in my swimsuit. Whatever. Yesterday I ran out of gas, and yeah, so it was a bit of a thing yesterday, and then it got too dark and I couldn't see what I was doing. So on to stage 2. Okay, so the tarp didn't come as clean as I dreamt in my mind it would. But it looks okay. There's some rust spots on it, and the white side underneath, which you'd be seeing more from inside, has like a lot of that black, like mildewy stuff. So I'm gonna try actually cleaning it with maybe some of that vinyl cleaner I got. Give that a go. But for now I'll just let it dry. It's just so hopeful with the Boler came so clean, but anyway, that's my pressure washing. I think it really made a difference though. So I'll see if I can get that awning a little more clean, but not today.